Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to install and activate Crocoblock license key for lifetime. First, go to your WordPress admin dashboard. Now install JetEngine plugin. Please wait. Now click on activate plugin. Now copy the website URL. Head over to the Crocoblock website and paste the website URL here and click on create. Copy the license key that appears here. Come back to your website. Now on left menu bar, find and click on Crocoblock, then click on license. Tap on add new license option. Now paste the key here and activate license. You will see your license details appear here. You will get lifetime update with this original license key. You will also get access to a premium theme and over 18 plus premium plugins completely free for lifetime. You can easily install any Crocoblock plugin from dashboard. Let's try on together. Now I will try to install JetElements plugin. So click on install. Please wait. Now click on activate plugin. It will automatically activate the plugin. You can repeat the same steps to install and activate more Crocoblock plugins. If you want to get Crocoblock original license key, check the video description. If you have any question, reach out to us. Thank you very much for watching this video.